TV.
Hello kids, let's learn some colors and alphabets. Pink, green, black, sky blue, light pink, violet, light green, brown, orange, yellow, red, blue. Alphabet A L P H A B E T. Alphabet A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Let's color this alphabet and numbers. A for aeroplane. B for banana. C for cake. D for dog. E for egg. F for frog. G for girl. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for question mark. R for rat. S for sun. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yacht. And Z. Z for zebra. Now let's learn these numbers. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 1 0 10. A for aeroplane, B for banana, C for cake, D for doll, E for eye, F for frog, G for girl, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for peacock, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yacht, Z for zebra. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10.
Please like, share and subscribe करो.